Hey guys, so today we'll be solving this double integral, and the domain is given in the form of uh, polar coordinates. So it's where r ranges from 0 to 1, so it's greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1. Theta is less than or equal to 2, greater than or equal to 0, right? And the reason we convert this is because it's very hard to solve the integral in form of x and y, and we know the relationship between x, y, and r, right? So it is x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sine theta, right? You know this relation, and we just build upon this. So we change r in terms of r cos theta, y in terms of r sine theta, since there's a squared. Right here, it's going to be r squared cos square theta minus r squared sine square theta, and there is r dr d theta. And why there is r, an additional r for y dA is equal to r dr d theta. I've talked about this in my previous video about integral of x plus y, so you might want to check that out if you don't know why that's the case, right? So, yep, and then r multiplies 1, this r multiplies this one, so it is r minus r square multiplying r cube, and we've taken r cube to be common from this term and this term, right? So that gives you cos square theta plus sine square theta, and why did we do it? Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, so it makes the whole calculation much easier. We're going to split these terms, r and r cube, and then find their integrals. So r's integral is r squared over 2, right? And for r cube is r4 over 4, and from r0 to r1, r0 to r1, right? So 1 square minus 0 square is 1 again, so that's what I've done here for this. And for this, it is again 1 minus 0, so in the end, the simplified version is 1 half minus 1 over 4. I mean, you can immediately tell 1 half over 1 over 4 is 1 over 4. But again, I've taken the LCM here, and 1 over 4 is what we get as expected. So that's a constant. We took it out, right? So we have 1 over 4, and we have theta to the power 0 or 1, right? Anything to the power 0 is 1. So now the integral of that would be, so integral of 1, let's say dx, is simply x, because 1 can be written as x to the power 0. So x to the power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 is equal to x, right? So we have theta, and the limits are 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, so 2 pi minus 0, 1 over 4. That's how we get this, and you cancel the 2's in the numerator and denominator, and finally you get pi over 2. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you don't take this r cube common here, the process gets a little lengthy, but other than that, you should still be getting the same answer, right? So thank you for joining me on this one, and hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.